spraying color, bleaching T-shirt, dyeing color, recycle old T-shirt. Everything can be found in this video. Welcome to Crafty Hacks. Achoo! Huh? What's this? My shirt! It must be John. Only he would do this. John, come here. Why do you keep trolling? You're lucky this shirt doesn't look bad. Seriously, John? Watch out, John.
Let me do it.
I can. Are you okay, John?
Dang, this is my favorite shirt. I really like this shirt. Thank you, Joyce.
No problem.
Oh my god! Somebody washed their colored clothes with my white clothes.
That was me.
It was you, John?
Again?
Not bad.
Oh, it's hot today. Lily, do you want a soda?
I'll get it. Soda. Hey, here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Oh! John!
Surprise.
We need new clothes now.
Sorry, let's see what I can do.
Unicorns.
I like mine too. Thanks, John.
No problem.
But now you have to clean up your mess, John.
Fine. Hi everyone.
Do you like our T-shirt videos such as spraying colors on a T-shirt, bleaching a T-shirt, making colorful T-shirts, or making a broom by using an old T-shirt?
Please subscribe to our channel.
And give us a big like and comment.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.